Today, we're testing the noise level of the T5 air purifier. For a more direct comparison, we've also brought in another brand. First, at the lowest setting, the T5 runs at just 30 decibels, almost silent. The other brand shows 32 decibels. Now, at the highest setting, T5 reaches only 44 decibels, as quiet as a library. The other brand jumps to 55 decibels, where you can clearly hear the fan noise. Ordinary designs create turbulence and noise. T5's BLDC vertical structural design, quieter, smoother, and more comfortable every time it runs.